Jesus. I'm getting upsetty spaghetti. I need to stop it. Okay, look. I'm not late to the fucking stream, okay? Okay? I know the time and everything says that I'm 3 minutes late to the stream, but it's fucking lying, okay? Because I'm not late. What happened is I sat here, pressed the start stream and record button, hit my desk, spilled some coffee, cleaned it up, didn't realize that I got to press go live on YouTube. And then when I went to go press it, YouTube was still not saying that I could go live, even though it had the green dot that is receiving my live stream. So yeah, don't know what's going on there, but here's what we're doing today. Today, what we're doing is we are going to take Vim and we are going to make it into the best damn IDE text editor in the world. Because here's the thing. Some of you might have seen it. I did a video on Atom, which is a IDE made by GitHub. And in the video, I was talking like, I want to get away from VS Code and just like Microsoft's IDEs and shit. And, because I used to use VS Codium, and VS Codium, if you don't know what it is, it really is a great piece of software, because literally all it is VS Code, just with all of the proprietary Microsoft bits removed, as well as the telemetry. So obviously it's a great piece of software, but I just wanted to try something different. And so I tried Atom, and I was like, oh, this looks great. Like Atom out of the box is hands down in my opinion, the cleanest looking IDE. Sublime looks good, but to be honest, personally, I think that Atom just is the best looking IDE out of the box. Now, with that being said, I do have to go ahead and clarify. I somehow was 210% brain dead when making that video, because I didn't realize that GitHub had been, for like, let's all be quite frank here, for a long time has been owned by Microsoft. Microsoft acquired GitHub and all of their products, and Atom is one. So I tried to get away from a Microsoft IDE only to end up using a Microsoft IDE. Awesome. So let's go in here. Oh shit. I always do that. Every time I start a stream or a video, I'm on my other monitor, and like I just always forget to switch monitors. I always do. So like my focus is here, and then I just open up a window over on my other monitor. When, if you look up here, right here, that blue indicator, if I switch over to my other monitor, see, it goes away, comes back, goes away, comes back. So I should know which monitor I'm focused on. I have no excuse, but I do that every time I'm making a video, live stream, anything. Always do that shit. But let's go in here. Well, by the way, I've got in my bash alias, I have Vim just set to V, because I'm extremely lazy, apparently, where I don't want to type the last 2 letters of Vim. So V, and then let's go into my Vim RC. So I'm going to show you what we're rocking right here in my Vim RC. I have like essentially the most basic Vim RC file ever. Well, actually not ever. I'm sure there's somebody who's just got like no swap, and that's like their only config option in their Vim RC. But yeah, so we're going to take Vim, we're going to make it into a great IDE. So here's the thing. When it comes to Vim, my knowledge of Vim is basic, would be calling it an understatement. I know probably 0.15% of Vim. Now, granted, I only know slightly above 0.1% of what Vim can do. That being said, I can still do everything that I need to in Vim. Vim is a great text editor. Like you can literally learn essentially nothing of Vim and it still be a better text editor than most. So I love Vim. I'm not going to try Emacs. I told some people that I was going to try Emacs, but first things first, what I feel like is I've never tried plugins. I've never tried really trying to make Vim a great text editor and IDE combined. Like, Vim is already a great text editor, but let's see if we can't make it into a fantastic freaking IDE. So we're going to be adding plugins, going to be adding shit. So let me go ahead and I'm going to click quit out of here. And then also, before I go into this, I did want to go ahead and say, for those of you who have been watching my videos, some of you might know that I was having an issue with my graphics card and my like sound card not working. And so I do want to go ahead and just show you this text document I've got here. This right here is how I figured out, or I found online, I copied and pasted, tried it, and it worked. Like on the new kernel, the first time I booted it, my sound, like internal sound card here on the laptop just worked. But after a reboot, it was gone. I can do, if I open up LSPCI, you can see right down here. Yeah, that's it. This is my internal sound card. So it's clearly detected, but it wouldn't show up in PAVU control, or, you know, Pulse wasn't detecting it. If I just run this command here, Pulse Audio and NPA CTL load module dash detect, it just works. All of a sudden it shows up in Pulse Audio and works. So just in case you ever have, you know, an internal sound card not work, or just like not showing up, but you can tell it's being detected and it's, you know, like it's not broken itself, run this command here. You're welcome. Save you quite a bit of time. Now, essentially all I've got going on inside of my Vim RC is literally just, I've got, well, I mean, you could tell by the comments here, I have it pretty well commented. I have no idea where I copied this from, but so I've got syntax enabled. We got the clipboard, so copy and paste between Vim and other programs. Yeah, obviously you want that. T_co is just like allows 256 colors. I got no swap file because I've never needed it. So, well, it's swap files have only in Vim have only been annoying for me. Maybe someone else can tell me like why they're like, for you, it's like a good feature that you want. I've got no auto backups because fuck auto backups. I'll save the file when I'm ready. Don't you start saving my files for me, okay? That's one thing I can take care of, because I can also not rm-rf all over my system, because I don't know, I have a mind. So needed to keep multiple buffers open so I can have, or so set hidden. So there you go. Yeah, it's a simple Vim RC file, but we're going to be adding some plugins and yeah. And so what plugins are we going to be adding, I guess, is the best question. By the way, according to YouTube, we have a handful of people in the stream. Can someone let me know just in chat that the audio is working, which according to OBS, it definitely should be, but just, you know, tell me that the audio is working. By the way, this is muted, right? Okay, thank God. Anyway, let me know that the audio is working, as well as just chat. Just let me know that, because I don't know, the last stream I did on YouTube, I didn't see any chat, and I just want to make sure that my chat's like Windows actually working. So if you do post in chat and I don't quickly respond to you, and by quickly I mean like give it 30 seconds to a minute, if I don't respond to you, just shoot me a message over on Discord, and that way I can know chat's not working for some reason, because YouTube's just been acting weird. I mean, it's YouTube. But so the main things that I need from my IDE that we need to get inside of Vim is, I want autocomplete for, you know, like coding. So like when I'm, what's the best example? So if I'm typing out, if I'm coding in C# and doing stuff in Unity, if I start typing out nav mesh component, I would prefer it if I get an autocomplete for that, if that's possible. So let's see if we can add autocomplete in here. Then I want, when we load up Vim here, you'll see, I mean, I do have the line numbers, which for me, that's necessary. I need to know which line shit's on, so pro there. But I want to get a sidebar over here where I can have multiple, you know, like bounce between a whole bunch of different files. That's what I need. That's all I need. That's all I need. And by the way, if you are watching this right now and you don't have coffee, fix it. You need some coffee. You're on a Linux channel, you're on a Linux stream, you certainly require coffee being here. Coffee or some type of caffeine. Yeah. Maybe a Monster or something like that, but I prefer the coffee route. Well, actually, I take that back. I prefer coffee and V8 energy drinks. Like the V8 energy drinks. I don't know that. I really like them. But anyway, let's just, you know what? Yeah, go to a whole new workspace. Let's go find some fantastic Vim plugins. Vim awesome. Oh shit, I'm about to sneeze. I can tell it. Damn it, I said sneeze and now it's gone. Oh, that was going to be so good. Like, do you guys, can someone please relate to me this? Okay, so no one's chatted yet, and I'm trying to make sure. Okay, yeah, I haven't heard anything in Discord or anything like that. Again, if you are in the stream, please just chat something just so I know that chat's working, because I'm not seeing anything. So if you are chatting with me, I'm not ignoring you. YouTube's just not showing me shit. So anyway, we need to find some great Vim plugins. I have no idea how to install Vim plugins. I have no idea of how to use Vim plugins. So this is going to be an experience for all of us. Awesome big Vim plugin. I've been to this website before, but I, again, never really used Vim plugin. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, Vim Airline. That looks clean as hell. That looks great. Okay, so now let's see how to install Vim plugins. That's the thing we got to figure out. How to install Vim plugins. Opensource.com. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got to get some more of that coffee. Man, I've got so much shit on my desk. Hold on. I'm just gonna start throwing things. Okay. All right. Ooh, that's out. That's out. That's out. This bottle here, juice, you're gone. This can, I'm not going to throw that on my bed. That'd be a bad idea. This bottle of water, you're gone. Let's see. This fake battery here, you're gone. This bottle of juice here, you're gone. Keys, you're gone. I almost hit my ultra wide with that. That would have been really bad. USB, gone. Okay. I've cleaned off some desk space. Good night. That was much needed. Ooh, and AirPods, gone. Okay. All right, how to install Vim plugins. Let's see. Install Vim plugin, or install plugins manually, Vim 8 and above. Okay, this might be the dumbest statement that I will ever make. I literally had no idea that there were versions of Vim. No, like, I mean, I understand that obviously it has versions, it gets updated, but I've never paid attention to what version of Vim I'm running. I didn't know it mattered. Damn it. Oh my gosh. Well, I just blew my nose anyway. Man, I had a good sneeze coming, man. I hate that. I hate that when you have a good sneeze and it just disappears. It's the worst. This is the most ADHD stream I will ever have. I am bouncing all over the place. So just so you know, this is how my morning's gone. Yeah, because this is an interesting story. We'll talk about it while we're doing. Oh wait, hold on. I'm sorry, guys. For all of you who would prefer a dark background, let me just do that. There you go. There you go. You're welcome. Sorry about that. Now, this is how my morning went. I couldn't get any sleep last night. I wasn't feeling great. I had a headache and my throat was really scratchy for some reason. I like never have that issue, but like my throat just felt real dry and like it was, I don't know, like I could drink water and it just wasn't helping. So I go out into my kitchen. I grab 2 Aleve and they're like the gel Aleve. So like they pack a freaking punch. What was that? Oh, Telegram. Wait, hold on. How the Telegram has its own notification manager? When I get chats in Discord, I don't even get notifications. That's crazy. It's crazy. I thought I had to have Dunce installed, but Telegram's like, nah, bro, I got you. That's sick. Okay. Now, I went out there, grabbed 2 Aleve, came back into my room, and because again, not feeling well, I take the 2 Aleve, does absolutely nothing, which, I mean, it sort of makes sense. Aleve is not really for headaches, so yeah, does nothing. And then I'm like, okay, well, it's not a headache, so I'm not going to take like an Excedrin migraine or some bullshit like that. I will just drink a V8 energy drink because I'm clearly not going to be able to go to sleep with how bad I feel. So I drink a V8 energy drink in the hopes that the caffeine will help the headache. It didn't. So then I text my sister, and she is definitely well asleep by this point, but she has some Delta 8 gummies out in the like living room or yeah, out in our house. She's got some Delta 8 gummies, and I'm like, hey, is it okay if I take one? And I know for her, she will always say yes as long as I ask first. The only time she ever gets upset at me for taking something or like eating something in the kitchen around here is my sister also does not really live at home. She essentially stays with our grandparents. But anyway, she can't, she's normally fine when I take shit, just as long as I ask first. So I ask, and then I wait a bit. She still hasn't responded. So I know she's asleep, and I'm like, screw it. I'm going to take one. I take one. 30 minutes later, it still hasn't kicked in. I'm like, when this bitch kicks in, I've already been in pain for so long. I need some extra. So I eat another half of one. She had one that she took a bite out of. I eat the rest of it. Nothing doesn't help whatsoever. So I'm like, God damn it. Okay. Well, I at least, like, my throat was still so fucked up. So I'm like, I got to do something to fix this throat. And here in the South, we have this remedy when you have a cold and like a like clogged up nose and itchy throat, like a scratchy throat. And the remedy is Tennessee honey or any type of bourbon, whiskey mixed with some honey and maybe also some lemon too. You just keep drinking that and like it'll wear off, and as soon as it's worn off and you know your throat's back to hurting or whatever, drink another one. Well, we don't have that much Tennessee honey in this house, and I didn't want to be, you know, that guy who drank my mom's alcohol at like 3 o'clock in the morning. And yeah, I just don't want to be that dude. So I'm like, okay, well, we have a big thing of Tito's vodka. And I'm like, that will fuck up my throat. Anything that's holding back my throat, like hurting it, that vodka will get rid of it. It did work. But only for very short amounts of time. And let's just say I was trying to feel better, not even trying to get drunk. I ended up getting drunk. And it was not like, I'm that type of person, like, I don't really like getting drunk. Like, it's just not in, like, the feeling of being intoxicated on alcohol is not fun for me. It's like I just got off a merry-go-round. I don't like it. So yeah, I've had just and so then I was finally able to pass out because I was drunk. And then I wake up with a fucking hangover. Like, even though I feel better, I'm like not sick. I'm hungover. So it was like, just this morning has been a shit show. And so now I've had a V8 energy drink since I woke up. I took three pills of valerian root, which is the recommended. That's how much you should take of valerian root. And valerian root is like some herb that it helps with sleep, but I've also found it's awesome for like muscle stiffness and like joint pain. For some weird reason, it helps a lot. So I mixed it with another Aleve because, again, I'm pretty nervous that like the only reason that I haven't felt bad today is just because I've been so cracked up on caffeine and I woke up with a hangover. And for me, if I wake up with a hangover, I can't tell anything else is wrong with me. That's the thing that's wrong with me. I don't understand how people go out and drink all the time and come home with hangovers. And it's like, they're just like, that's just part of getting fucked up and having a good time. Like, sucks ass. But okay, so we can install them manually, and this does not seem too complicated. Okay, so by default, your .vim directory, if you even have one, has no such file structure. So set that up. Excuse me. Good Lord. Okay. .vim pack /vendor/start. Now you can place Vim plugins in -vim. Okay. And they'll automatically load when you launch Vim. Okay. For example, try installing NerdTree, a text-based file manager for Vim. First, to use Git. Okay. So we use Git and we get it. Launch. Wait, hold on. Okay. Wait, hold on. I'm so confused. Okay. First, Git clone dash depth. I've never used -- depth. I don't even know what depth does when you get clone. What? Hey boys, this is going to be a learning stream. Okay. So, Git, can we do, wait, hold on. Can we do man Git? Would it be in here? Okay. We want, let's see, -- depth. I want to see -- I'm still not seeing depth. -- depth. Oh, what the? Okay. Clicked over. Let's see. Git command. What the fuck? Git. Come on. Come on. Okay. Quit out of there. Close out of there. Actually, I just Git clone -- depth. What does that mean? Git clone documentation. Here we go. -- local -- share -- disassociate. It's just not alphabetically sorted. What the? See, this is where a lot of Linux programs could learn a thing from BSD. There we go. -- depth. Here we go. Create a shallow clone with a history truncated to the specific number of comments. Implies single branch unless no single branch is given to fetch the histories near the tips of all branches. If you want to clone someone... I know that's English, but I have no fucking clue what that means. Create a shallow clone with a history truncated to the specified number of comments. So clone with a history of the what bruh? What bruh? Bruh, what? If you don't want to plug in to load automatically every time you launch Vim, I want it to load in automatically. So we don't need to read this. Are available to Vim, but they're not loaded into memory until you add them to a session with a pack add command. Okay. So pack add, and then I could add it. Interesting. Okay. Vim recommends that each plugin project gets its own directory within vim.pack. For example, if you were to install NerdTree plugin in the imagery... Hold on. If you were to install the NerdTree plugin and the imagery foo plugin, you would create this structure. Okay. So we're going to make it pack NerdTree, and then we would clone here pack food start. Okay. Got you. I got you. Wait. because up here, oh, okay. See, up here, see, this is where shit gets confusing, because apparently we're supposed to make this file structure and install nerd tree inside of start. But then down here, it says, officially, Vim recommends that each plugin gets its own directory within the vim.pack. For example, if you were to create nerd tree plugin, it would look like this, not the other way around. Whether that's convenient is up to you. Okay, so essentially we don't have to do it. We don't have to, but that's because it's official and that's how we're supposed to do it. That's what we're going to do. So first things first, let's open up our terminal and we're going to do mkdir -p, and we're going to do in here .vim / pack / wait, hold on. And do we even need to create? Yeah, no, we don't need to create it just quite yet, because we don't know the first Vim plugin that we're going to install, other than possibly Vim Airline. Hold on, let me turn off disabled on Vim Awesome. I like this. Hold on, you know what? We're gonna put you over on my itch workspace, because why not? Hold on, 5. I don't have any general chat. Here we go. Hey, we are chatting. Reset the chat. My phone does this. Okay. Thank you for letting me know. I am sorry. See, pop out chat. Oh, there it is. I just had to use pop out chat. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm so sorry. Thank you guys for chilling and hanging out. Check your Discord. I know, buddy. I'm sorry. Has a good selection. Oh wait, Chris at Machine has a good selection of plugins on his website. Okay. Use NeoVim. Yeah, I've told to give NeoVim I've been told to give NeoVim a try. You know what? Before we mess around with all these plugins and stuff, well, see, here's the thing. I sort of would like to do it, myself. I would like to do it myself and do all these plugins myself and learn exactly how it goes. But I will let it be up to you guys. Are you more interested in seeing me stumble through getting my own Vim config set up, or should I just try NeoVim? I need you guys to let me know what I should do, because I'm a pushover. I'll do whatever you tell me to. I've got no will. I've got no will. Oh shit, my back. Oh, I don't know if you could hear that, but that was my arm and back all at the same time. Oh. Okay. So, and again, thank all of you guys for being so awesome. You guys are freaking dope. Okay, so that's it for Discord. Okay, you know what? Screw it. We're gonna try NeoVim. Now I'm a little nervous, so hold on. Let me go down in here. Let me do a refresh inside of this, because I'm still not seeing any chat, and I almost don't believe YouTube is working. Hold on. Is my brain broken? Is there not a way? Yes. Okay, so I can't see your chats. Cool. We want to see your pain. Okay. All right. Well, hold on. First, I'm going to check out. I'm going to at least check out NeoVim. I'm just going to see how NeoVim looks. I've actually, I've seen videos on NeoVim, but it's been so long, I don't remember all that's going on inside of I almost said LeoVim. LeoVim. Never mind. I was going to say something, but it's stupid. Not like anything else that comes out of my mouth isn't stupid, but let's load up NeoVim. Huh? What? What just, huh? NeoVim? NeoVim, not found. Hold on. Wait, NeoVeg. Come on. Okay, so I've installed NeoVim, but how to, this is so stupid, how to open NeoVim. God, NeoVim, if I can type. How to open NeoVim. You can, wait, what? How do you open NeoVim? -E file path via plugin, like, what the fuck? What is going on? Also change it from top chat to live chat. It defaults to BS top chat. Oh, yes, you're right. Live chat. Oh my God. Ugh. If there's any question as to like, okay, look, see, here's the thing. The quality of transcoding and the quality and like the quality level you're able to stream at video wise and audio wise, well, not really audio wise, but definitely video wise on YouTube is better. But every single thing that's other than that video quality is better on Odyssey. Everything. The way chat works, the way everything works is just God. In Vim. Okay. God damn it, I'm on my other monitor. I do that all the time. In Vim. Okay. In Vim is, it does, I mean, it makes a lot more sense. It's just in Vim, but also at the same time, like, shit, bruh. I'd like to know that. Help poor wait, hold on. What the fuck am I reading here? Help poor children in Uganda. Type help ICCF for more information. Bruh, we're fuck doing anything else. We're figuring this out. Help, no, help ICCF. Vim is charityware. You can't, I've never heard that term before. Okay, you can use and copy it as much as you like, but you are encouraged to make a donation for needy children in Uganda. Please see KCC below or visit the... I'm all for helping needy kids, but I just didn't expect it. Yes, Nahar, I am on Qtile. By the way, again, for anybody who I missay your name, just know it's on accident, or missay or mispronounce. I'm pretty good at mispronouncing names, if you couldn't tell. Wait, what? What the fuck is going on? Escape. Q. No, please don't make me say, oh God, Q. Oh my God. Okay. So it is the same. Oh, there's so much about this that I don't understand. Yeah, see, I don't see the thing though is my main thing is I want, and F Society. I don't think I said it. Thank you for letting me know it's in Vim. Thank you very much. Much appreciated. The main thing is I want to get a side panel over here so that I can do different stuff. So yeah, we're going to go ahead. We're going to go through the pain together. Sudo pacman -r and NeoVim. Let's get rid of that. 2580. Yep. Apparently we're just going to keep all the, I can never remember. It's not I can never remember. It's I rarely do it where I actually don't really uninstall programs that often because I actually install, that's my 3D artist. He's asking, are you sick? I actually was. Oh yeah, that's right. You did say that. So let me copy his name. We'll go to his website. Or I'll just search his name and see if I can find it. Chris at machine portfolio. I'm a full stack developer. I make YouTube videos about various topics such as software development, Linux, NeoVim, and machine learning. Whoa, hold on. This looks really good. Whatever this was. Lunar Vim. What? Okay, all right, close that. I really wanted to see this. It just takes me to his GitHub. I want to see that picture. Maybe it's on his GitHub. Is there pictures here? Nah. Let's see. Topics. Let's pop down to God, I need to improve my. Well, he only has NeoVim on here. He's only got stuff for NeoVim. Set up NeoVim for Lua development. Yeah. No, let me go back. All right. So I think first things first. Nerd tree. Lunar Vim is an IDE. I could definitely tell that. It's just I've also never heard of Lunar Vim before. That was what threw me off. But seems good. But yeah, we're gonna go through the pain and do this manually. We're because I just want to learn everything about Vim. It's also gonna make it a lot more painful, but I know it. It's okay. It's okay. So let's do first things first. Let's get or find the IDE that we want. Let's close that. Or IDE, the first plugin that we're going to install. I don't think Airline should be the first plugin that we install, because yeah, Vim Airline will look good, but that's not really what we're looking for. Okay, the nerd tree. This is perfect. Nerd tree is a file system explorer for the Vim editor. Using this plugin, users can visually browse complex directory hierarchies, quickly open files for reading or editing, and perform basic file operations. Perfect. Lunar Vim is fairly new, I believe. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I've never heard of it before. It's so huge config that it is an IDE. Interesting. Well, yeah, from the little snippet of some of the options inside of the config there, it seemed pretty detailed. Oh, I have heard of Vundle. Okay. Help maintain Vundle. No, not interested in that. Vundle is short for Vim Bundle. It is a Vim plugin manager. Vundle allows you to keep track and configure your plugins right in the VimRC. Install configured plugins, aka scripts/bundle. Okay, you can just do a lot of shit with it. Gotcha. Do you have Vim plug or a plugin manager yet? No, I do not. So, whoa, okay. Put this at the top of your VimRC to use Vundle. Remove plugins you don't need there for illustration purposes. Set no compatible, be improved, required. File type off. Okay, set the runtime path to include Vundle and initialize. Okay, alternatively pass a path where Vundle should install plugins. Call Vundle maybe in some path here. Okay. Okay, so essentially just all we got to do is just copy this little bad boy right here and paste it in there, right? Believe so. I don't know. We're going to figure this out. Set up Vundle. Okay. Wait, hold on. Installation requires git and triggers git clone for each configured repository to Vim by default. Curl is required for search. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, do I have... I'm sure I have to have curl installed on here. Please tell me I don't have... Okay, cool. I was like, I gotta have curl. Wookie Puss, how you doing? Scarlett Brohanson. What do you mean? I actually don't even know what W/U means. Scarlett Brohanson. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna need git and curl. Okay, yeah, we got that. So let's just Control C. Let's Control V. Let's git clone, and we're gonna put it in .vim/bundle vim. Okay. All right. So now, let's go into my v.vimrc, and now let's we're gonna here let's get that down there, and paste. And we're gonna go up here and let's see. So it said we don't need to copy the plugins, obviously, because we don't have them. Initiate get plugin, not host. Wait, hold on, what? What's up, you ham sandwich? Not much, Wookie Puss. Not much. What's going on right now is I'm trying to take this terminal text editor, make it into an IDE so that I can actually do my bash challenge for that, and I can also use Vim to do all of my good Lord, what am I trying to say? I can use Vim to be what I use to code in Unity. Good Lord, my brain. I'm like cracked out on caffeine, and for some reason my brain won't work. God damn it, my coffee's getting cold. By getting cold, I mean it's fucking cold. Okay, so for those of you who are in chat and know better than me, keep plugins can. Okay, so these are just examples. Okay, these are examples of different formats you can use. Cool. All of your plugins must be added before the following line. Call bundle in, type path indent on. Okay, so we're going to take this part here, Control C. We're going to go down here and Control V. Ooh, that is added quite a bit to my Vim RC, but it's okay. It's okay. I can handle it. Oh, let's yeah, DD that line. Sure. Just make it better. Why do show? See, here's the thing. On YouTube, just so you know, Wookie Puss, try to refrain from swearing in chat. Not because I have any problem whatsoever with language here on my channel. It's only because I have to like manually allow your comment to be posted. Because apparently YouTube does not listen to me when I say I don't give two shits about swearing in chat, but whatever. I need to go back in and see if maybe I can fix that setting, because I've tried changing it before, but it does nothing. YouTube's like, you don't really not care. Okay, so we got bundle set up, right? Let's do WQ, and now let's see, can we still Vim in here? Cool. Can we do what is the nope. Oh my god, let's see. What is it? Plugin list. So let's see. Plugin list. Okay. Epic. All right, so now here's the next question. How do we... Okay, that does work. Epic. Okay, so all you gotta do is quit out of it. So if I do plugin list, I can get that to pop out. And then all I gotta do to quit out of it is just do the regular quit command. It doesn't quit out of Vim, it just quits out of that. That's epic. Awesome. I saw we. I love you. Oh, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Play some IDM. Alberto Balsam by Affix Twin. I read that, but I've never heard of that. What is that? Love. I love you. I love you. Okay, so we're gonna get nerd tree. Okay, so we've got Vundle. Hold on, let's see. If you have no favorite and you want to manage her without third party. Okay, no, I don't need installation. Okay, so I still am a little confuzzled on how we need to get this set up. Dude, I feel like I'm about to have a freaking heart attack right now with how much caffeine is just coursing through my veins. Jesus, like so cracked out right now. Good Lord. Like for me, my tolerance to caffeine is so low. Like if I drink a Bang, I might as well have just taken like a pound of Adderall. I'm focused as shit. Okay, so we can do plug in onto GitHub. So what are we? See, here's where I'm confused. So we download. So are we supposed to do this right here, where this is the actual directory for it? Plugin from plugin L9 Git plugin not posted, not hosted on GitHub. I don't. Okay. Use your favorite plugin manager, install this plugin. Okay, so where do we download it? That's going to be my next question. GitHub. Here we go. GitHub. All right. So let's copy that. Wait, I've got. Oh, thought I had. Whatever. Let's do git clone. We're going to paste in that link. We're going to clone it down from GitHub. So now we got this folder here. And then if I do an ls command, you can see, where is it? Oh, there it is. I was like, what the fuck? Where is it? Nerd tree. There we go. All right. So we got nerd tree installed. So I guess what we should do, according to this, according to Vundle, what we need to do is, hold on, you know what? Let's open this up in a new tab, because I am apparently I'm brain dead right now. So I'm gonna need to pop back over to it a little bit, just a wee bit. So I guess what we need to do is what we could do is create a folder. Let's do mkdir. We're gonna make a folder. We're gonna call it .vim plugins. Okay, and then we're gonna cd into .vim plugins. And then what we're going to do is mv in our home directory, nerd tree. We're going to copy that folder into here, .vim plugins. Okay, here we go. Now if we ls, nerd tree is in here. Perfect. So now if we cd, well, I mean, we don't really have to, but we'll cd out of there, vim into our vim rc file, go down here. Okay, so we got to put all of our plugins must be added before this following line. So we're going to add it right here. Plugin, and then it's going to be .vim, .vim plugins / and then it was nerd tree. Okay, WQ. Now if we vim into our .vimrc, hold on, error detecting while processing, function bundle, blah, 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 line 8, invalid plugin name. Okay, so that's not how we do it. That's not how we do it. Okay. Oh, damn it. So what are we missing? So I got plugin, got it. Why is that not working? Hold on, let's see. Let's see if I got to add the, maybe it's just I didn't put it, specify it was in my home directory. Maybe that's it. WQ, hopefully. Nope, that's not it. Okay. So the following are examples of file formats or different formats supported. Keep plugin commands between. Maybe the plugin command is actually like, because here it says for the top one, plugin from, and it's like a website. Plugin not supported. Wait, hold on. The following, keep the plugin on GitHub repo. So instead of doing that, I think what we have to do is actually file / home, and then and then for me it's /zany /vim plugin /nerdtree. Maybe that's it. I think that's it. So now if we do WQ and we go into vim.vimrc, it just loaded up. So maybe we've got our thing. Also show dog, want to see dog. Buddy is out in his kennel right now. Not like he's been misbehaving or anything. I put him out there because he was barking a shitload. We've got, my mom ordered some stuff on Amazon, so that should be here soon. And if he is in here when my mom opens that door, he's going to go absolutely berserk. He's so protective. It's ridiculous. And he's such a dope too. Like, he couldn't protect me for shit. And it's not because he wouldn't try. It's just because he's so dopey. Okay, getting started. After installing Nerdtree, the best way to learn is to use the quick help. Open Nerdtree with the Nerdtree command and press question to turn on the quick help, which will show you all the mappings and commands available in the Nerdtree. Okay, so all we gotta do is let me go to my other window. We're gonna do, what was it? Oh my God, I gotta do all cap nerd tree, not an editor command. Epic. Okay, so it's not being loaded. God, you know what? Hold on. I think I know how we're going to do this. We're going to go to Derek Taylor .files. Oh, I've got it right here. By the way, if you don't know who Derek Taylor is, he is DistroTube. So we're over on DistroTube's page, in his .files. His vimrc is right here. Let's see. Please be using Vundle. Vundle for managing plugins. DT for the fucking win, boys. Okay, wait, hold on. Plug. He's using plug. What? On the documentation, it says to use plugin. And our boy over here is using plug. You know what? Okay, so maybe I'm just supposed to do, like, hold on, I'm so confused. So does Vundle pull down the GitHub page? Like, does it pull it straight down from GitHub every time I open up Vim? Like, I'm just a wee bit confused. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go in here to plug in, and what we're going to do is do preserve vim /nerdtree. How much you want to bet this just works? WQ, save that, go into my vimrc, go in here, nerdtree, not an editor command. Okay. So now we're going to go down here and delete that. So it's just plug WQ, Vim. Okay. Ambiguous use of user-defined command plug. God dang it. God dang it. See nurtree. Screw loose / nurtree. Hold the freaking phone. Plug in, and then instead of preserve Vim, let's try his, which is, what was it again? Nurtree screw loose / nurtree. Okay. Now I do nerd tree, not an editor command. What the fuck is going on? Yeah. Like, I'm so confused. What? How do people figure out this shit? Oh, I'm a fucking retard. Oh my god, I'm so stupid, it hurts. Okay, hold on. I have to install the plugins. God, God, it hurts to be me. File, / home / zany / .vim plugin, oh shit, plugins / nerd tree. Okay, save that. Open up vimrc. Now we're going to run plugin install. It helps when you read the entire thing. Wow, look at that. Installing plugins. Perfect. Done. Cool. So now quit out of there. And now if I do nerd tree, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We have nerd tree installed. That is fucking epic. Question mark. Okay. File node mappings. Let's see. Open in previous window, open in new tab, directory mode mappings, but we're tree navigation, file system mappings. Hold on, is there a okay, hold on. I have questions. Is there another way to open up nerdtree other than just typing out the entire plugin called nerdtree? Because that would be not just helpful, that would be amazing. Or how do I get it to where it just defaults to being open? Because I like that. Hold on, let's move this over workspace so it looks much better. Oh my god, Vim, you're starting to get there. You're starting to get there. So let me see. If I click on desktop, press enter. Okay, well, there is nothing in desktop, but if I do documents, yeah, boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We can use this. We can use this for sure. I like it. Like it. Oh yeah. And Wookie Puss. I believe I know who you are. Should I play one of your tracks? If I'm thinking right. Okay. All right. So now let's go back over to, it's our old vimrc file. Okay. So Let's see. Actually, you can see like my settings inside of my Vim RC are pretty similar to his. Actually, I probably copied them from here, to be honest. Let g.lightline, color scheme Darkula. Okay. Okay, so we've got NerdTree installed. How can I have more shortcut to open NerdTree? NerdTree doesn't create any shortcuts outside of the NerdTree window, so as to not overwrite any other shortcuts. Use the in no remap command in your Vim RC. You, of course, have many keys and NerdTree commands to choose from. Here we go. Start NerdTree and leave the cursor in it. Start NerdTree and put the cursor back in the other window. Okay. Control C. Let's go over here into my Vim RC, and you know what? Let's go down here and we need to actually escape, set, paste. There's probably a faster way I could do that. I don't have to set paste itself. Now if I do Vim RC, it's automatically open. Epic. My cursor's over here. Cool. I switched the wrong one. I can't speak. Wrong workspace. There we go. Oh, that messed up a lot of shit. All right, epic. Okay. Anywhoozes. Let me get that fixed. All right, cool. Okay. So what I guess I need to do is leader in. In your Vim RC, you of course have many keys and NerdTree commands to choose from. Here are a few examples. Like what is no remap leader? Leader in Vim. That shit off here. What is the leader in a Vim RC file? Okay. The leader key is mapped to / by default. Okay. So if you have a map of leader T, you can execute it by default with /+T. For more detail or reassigning the map leader variable, see help leader. To define a mapping which uses map leader variable, a special string leader can be used. Sorry about that. It's replaced with a string value of map leader. If map leader is not set or empty, a / is used instead. Example: map leader A, another line, works like map /A, another line. But after let map leader equals that, it works like map, A. Gotcha. Epic. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy Control C. We're going to copy this, go back over to NerdTree because I want to look at this. Okay, so if we go into 4, go here. Oh shit. I put all this in my general settings. That's no bueno. That's no bueno, but don't really matter that much. I'll have to do some beautifying on this document here, but Ah, Lord. Vim.vimrc. What am I doing? Escape, set, paste, enter, I, Control Shift V. Let map later, and instead of it being colon, we're going to do, what should our leader be? Yeah, like semicolon. We'll do semicolon. Okay, yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to save it. And then quit out of here. Oh, shit. Could have just quitted it, but whatever. V dot. God damn it. Q. Wait, what? Why are you still open? Just gotta quit out of both. Okay. Shit. There we go. Good God. Okay, so I guess we will go ahead and add, let's pop back over in here, and we're going to take this, Control C, pop back over here, using my mouse like an absolute pleb, but whatever, set paste, Control Shift V. Okay, escape, WQ, and Q, and then vim.rc, and then if we do semicolon in, yeah, semicolon in, oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Yeah, quit out of there. Let's go back over. So nerd tree focus, nerd tree toggle. C in nerd tree. Wait. Shift C in. Ooh. Quit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get used to this. So shift colon in. That does nothing. I'm so confused. Ah, what the fuck? I didn't even do that, but okay. VimRC. So Shift C. How does Shift C go into fucking insert mode? Shift C is insert? What? Am I? You gotta be fucking kidding me. What? So how do I go back over into the file after I'm already in nerd tree? How can I close Vim automatically when nerd tree is the last window? I have so many different freaking questions. Leader in nerd tree focus, no remap. So Shift C in, but Shift C apparently, or capital C in. Well, hold on. Instead of doing capital C, let's do C in. No previous regular expression. Okay. I have so many questions. How do I get out? So if I do, I can get my focus over here, but if I do that again, it, yeah, see, essentially the only thing that I can do is quit it. I don't know how to move focus from nerd tree to document or file, whatever. Okay, so Control WW. So Control WW. Control WW. Back. Okay, cool. Well, then we can just delete all this shit. DD, 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 DD. Okay. Click WQ because we don't need it. Q. Now we do vimrc again. Control WW. We can go over here. Cool beans, cool beans. Control WW. All right. 3. Nerd tree opens up in another window. That split view you're seeing. Okay. All right. So we figured out really all I need to know for nerd tree, because I don't need complicated usage. I just need to be able to, oh shit, I'm sorry, hit the mic. By the way, WookiePuss, if you're actually still watching this, if you chat to tell me to go get Buddy again, or if you tell me to go get Buddy again, I'll go grab him, or for that matter, anyone else in chat. If you really want to go, if you really want me to bring Buddy in here, that way you can see him, I'll do that, no problem. Fugitive.vim, a get wrapper so awesome it should be illegal. Awesome. Checks hacks and syntax checking hacks for Vim. Okay. I do. God dang it, man. Of course they have installation instructions. It's just not paying attention. Okay, Syntastic is a syntax checking plugin for Vim created by Martin blah blah blah. Sorry, Martin Grenfell. I'm sorry for just blowing through his last name. It runs files through external syntax checkers and displays any resulting errors to the user. Ooh, my stomach. Oh, hold on. At the time of writing this, Syntastic has checking plugins for ACPI source languages. Let's go through here. Do you have C#? Yes, it does. Okay. Okay. Let's see, requirements. Syntastic itself has rather relaxed requirements. It doesn't have any external dependencies, and it needs a version of Vim compiled with a few common features. Auto CMD, blah, 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 all this stuff should have, my build of Vim should have all that shit in it. Should work with any modern plugin managers. Cool. Instructions for installing Syntastic with pathogen are included below for completeness. To start with Vim version, you can load last one. Syntastic doesn't know how to do any syntax checks by itself. In order to get meaningful results, you need to install external checkers corresponding to the types of files you use. Please consult the manual in Vim for a list of supported checkers. Okay. If you already have pathogen working, what is pathogen? I don't even know what pathogen is. Manager for your runtime path of these. In practical terms, pathogen.vim makes it super easy to install plugins and runtime files in their own. Blah, blah. Okay. No, we don't want to install it with pathogen. Recommended settings. Syntax has numerous options that can be configured, and the defaults are not particularly well suitable for new users. It is recommended that you start by adding the following lines to your vimrc file and return to them after reading the manual. Okay. I have enabled multiple checkers for the current file type. How can I display all errors from all checkers together? You know what? I really don't need that. I really just like autocomplete, Vim get gutter, Vim airline. I do sort of want this Vim airline plugin. I really don't need airline. You complete me, a code completion engine for Vim. Our policy is to support Vim versions that's in the latest LTS. It's current. Okay. Minimum compiler versions. Fast as you type, fuzzy search code, completion, comprehension, and refactoring engine for Vim. It has several completion engines built in and supports any protocol compliant language server, so you can work with practically any language. You Complete Me contains an identifier-based engine that works for every programming. Powerful Clang D based engine that provides native semantic code completion for C, C++, Objective-C, Objective-C++, and CUDA. From now on referred to the C-family languages. An OmniSharp Rosalyn based completion engine for C#. That's what we're after. Okay. The user just types and the suggestions pop up by themselves. If the user doesn't find the completion suggestions relevant and or just wants to type, they can do so. The completion engine will not interfere. Okay. When the user sees a useful completion string being offered, they press the tab key to accept it. This user, okay, cool. Installation. Install YCM plugin via Vundle. Install CMake, Vim, and Python. Install monocomplete Go, Node, Java, and NPM. Compile YCM for plugins. Yeah, this is not going to be a simple install. It's just not. Damn it. with a compiled component. If you update YCM using bundle, happens early, YCM will notify you to recompile it. You should then rerun the install process. Yeah, I think I'm just going to live without it. Because to be completely honest, I don't want to go through the hassle of trying to set this up. Because this does not seem easy. So, compile YCM. Explain these instructions using install.py are the quickest way to install you complete me. However, they may not work for everyone. The following instructions. If the following instructions don't work for you, check out the full installation guide. Okay, so we are going to install this bad boy. Here, Control C, mod 4. I go down here, Control Shift V, escape, WQ. Oh, I shouldn't. Fuck. It's all right. Let's clear that. Go in here. And then what we're going to do is go plug in, install, processing. Okay, so it's probably going to take a little bit. Yeah, I have a feeling that this is going to take. I have a feeling this is not just a super simple. The YCMD server shut down. Restart with. You compile before using it. Follow the instructions in the documentation. My trigger. I did. And that's what I was told to do. Fucking piece of shit. It literally says, first thing, install the plugin, then install CMake and all this shit. So build-essential CMake, Control C, we're going to do mod enter, and sudo pacman-s, Control Shift V, 2580. Vim Knox is not here. Build Essentials not here. At the very least, I could install CMake. Why is Python 3 not? Oh. Yeah, we're not getting code completion. Fuck it. Do I need anything else? Really, I mean, the file thing is really my main thing. Because what I want to be able to do is do Control W. We'll go down into my Unity. Not alone. Assets. Scripts. And then inside of here, pop through. So like if I hit grenade. So if I hit Control Q here, go through Game Manager. Hold on. So let me find something I'm okay with changing. I'm going to go in here. And let's just add a comment. We'll add that. And if I do Control Q, why is Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay. Yeah. I like it. The only thing that confuses the absolute fuck out of me is why this thing here. Like, where is that coming from? Where is it going? Let me see. Hold on. I've got... Okay. Okay, cool. So that was from a while ago. Oh. 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 Yeah. I am just fine with this, but I do want to figure out what's going on with that. M in Vim file. Windows use a combination of two characters. By the way, Vim displays 0xd. Okay. Cool. So I can remove all those characters with this little command right here. That's mighty helpful. Or actually, Control V. Pattern not found. Fuck you. Pattern not found. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god. Hold on. So I click X, that removes it. Shift A, right? Yeah. Shift A, delete, delete, delete. Fuck this, dude. Ah. Okay. Doop. 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 I mean, the only saving grace is I know I won't have to do this all the time. I really do like this. Oh, Vim. Oh, Vim. You're so good. You're so good. Yeah, so we're just going to edit this right here. And then I think what I'm going to do is here before too long, I'm going to go ahead and end the stream. And because I do need to get working on the bash challenge that me and Matt are doing. Matt from the Linux Cast podcast I do with him. We're doing a bash challenge, so I need to get started doing my bash scripting because I have procrastinated too long and I need to fix that. Okay, almost done with this file. Getting all this Windows shit in here, or shit out of here. Okay. Save that. You know what? Let's just quit out of there. All right, give me 1 second. I'm gonna blow my nose real fast. Ugh, that hurt. Oh, all right. So, we have gotten this working. Oh, and since I am essentially just bullshitting around right now, let's close out of there and close out all this shit. We'll keep this open, but I actually need to go over and let me see if I can just move this over here. I'm messaging my 3D artist and letting him know. Probably asleep, but I'll go ahead and shoot him that message and ask. Why not? Oh, cancel. Oh, no, he's actually online. Holy shit, he's up. It's got to be late as hell for him. He's in a whole different country. But see, here's the thing. Me and Matt are doing a bash challenge for the podcast. I actually, you know what? I'm going to do something that I don't know. I don't know if I should do it, but I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to be risque. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go to our Notion and I'm going to load up. Oh, no. I did not mean to do that. I grabbed on the wrong window. There we go. All right. So, here you can see, it's 1 a.m. So not for long. Call me tomorrow night if you feel like working. Okay. But you can see we're doing the bash challenge, create something useful. And so we are doing this, as far as I know, this is going to be our next podcast. Or I can't remember. It's season 5, episode 21. Actually, this might be, I can't remember when we said it was going to be due. Hold on, let me see. Let me check his message. Okay, so I'm going to read out his entire message. Hopefully he doesn't have a problem with that. I highly doubt he does. But, okay, so remember that for this week's the 4th, we'll be back on the 8th. 3rd, I've scheduled the Bash Challenge for episode 50, which is 4 episodes away. Okay, yeah, I've got plenty of freaking time. Holy shit. I thought I had really put it off to the last minute. We have from now until we do that episode to come up with something cool in Bash that we can share. The rules are thus for the challenge. It must be pure Bash, can't use any external programs like awk, grep, or sed. Cool. Has to be useful or cool. Like it. We can't tell each other what we're working on, but getting outside help is fine as long as they keep it secret. I think that's good enough. If you have a rule you'd like to suggest, let me know. Maybe we'll do something like this every 50 episodes if this goes well. Hope this weekend treats you right, Matt. Thank you, Matt. Thank you, Matt. And those rules are fantastic. Fantastic. Now, so I'm going to assume that Matt is not in this live stream. And Matt, if you're in this live stream, you're about to screw me over really big, because here's what I've been thinking about doing for my Bash script. It has to be something cool or useful. It doesn't have to be both, which I fucking need that to be a distinction, because if it has to be useful and cool, I'm screwed. I'm not going to be able to come up with a cool Bash script that is also useful. I can come up with a useful Bash script. It probably won't be super cool, but yeah. So again, I'm assuming Matt's not in this live stream. I really hope he's not, because he's going to screw me over real big if he is here. But what I was thinking is creating a Bash script that goes like, you essentially, like, what I was thinking is like we create a Bash script that asks you a few questions about yourself, and then we'll try and install programs to match like who you are as a person, like based off of those 3 questions. Like, you know, it's essentially just a questionnaire. You know, probably do like 5 questions, like have it be a 5-question thing. Pops up, asks you some different questions, you answer them. Based off of those answers, it installs different programs for you. So like, you know, if you're somebody, like, let's just say, for example, one of the questions is, are you, are you always talking to someone? If you answer yes, then it installs Signal, Telegram, Discord, like installs a whole bunch of shit for you, like a whole bunch of messaging programs for you. But now that I'm thinking about it, it has to be pure Bash. So we can't do that. Well, instead of automatically downloading the programs, like using Pac-Man or something like that, we could just have it where just hold on. I'm still not getting chat. Like, I haven't gotten chat updates in a little bit. Maybe I need to refresh the page. Q, close that. Let's do pop out chat again. Reload. Okay, cool. There hasn't been any new chats. Epic. Okay, cool. I'm not missing chats. That's all I care about. Oh, dang it. I just saw Matt's comment from way earlier. Damn it. Matt, if you're still in the live stream, you have officially screwed my idea. I'm going to start over with something new, because that's one of the rules, is that we can't tell each other what we're doing. Just in case you weren't here when I was reading off the rules for it. But yeah, it's got to be pure Bash. So that's going to be It's going to be a little bit of a challenge. It's going to be a little difficult, but I think I can do it. I think I can do it. Won't be that big of a deal. So, yeah, we've got Vim all set up to be our editor. Hold on. Do I have Unity Hub installed? No, I don't. So you know what? We're going to go ahead and just while you guys are here with me, we're going to go ahead and install Unity. So Unity Hub Arch and bada bing. Wait, hold on. Why am I just now noticed I'm defaulting to Google. I need to fix that. Git clone. Ooh, not clone. There we go. CD into Unity Hub and make pkg-si. Oh, dude, this is going to ask me for, I think I've already installed gconf. I'm pretty sure I have. Because I know that's like one thing that like almost always gets me. So I forget, because gconf, you've got to install from the AUR as well. All right. rm-rf Unity Hub. Let's do ls. Let me see. Do I have any more random folders on here? No. Cool. Okay. So quit out of there. We've got that installed. We'll just pop on over to my itch workspace. And we're going to open up Unity Hub. We're going to open up the hub. And I always forget. I'm going to have to log in with me account. I go in here, stir email at gmail.com, and my password is none ya business. Epic. Activate new license. I've activated like 30 new licenses in the past 6 months. Keep switching freaking distros. Having to reactivate my license. Okay, so 2021, that's the version we're going with. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I could bring this over here. Sure, I'm going to go ahead and do Android and iOS support. Just why not? Linux, Mac, and Windows build support. Click Next. I have read and agree with the terms of conditions. Okay. Now we're going to install Unity. And hold on. So I know there's definitely some people in the stream, and my question to you, if you're watching this and want to chat with me, for one, please do. I love talking with you guys, but so I have a question. Should I go ahead and so here's I'll just go ahead and explain what I'm thinking. I've been considering, instead of trying to do a Kickstarter for the game, I've been considering just doing like creating a Patreon and having you guys support through the Patreon. And so anyone who's a patron gets the game for free, obviously. I don't really want to sleep. Oh, I have to sleep. I have school. I got you, brother. Well, so hold on, what the fuck was I saying? Oh yeah, so I'm considering just doing a Patreon to support the game, and if you guys seem receptive to that and like it, and people do end up supporting through Patreon, what I'm going to do is I'll probably go back through and and try to make the game open source, which would mean like all of the scripts in the game right now are mine. Like I'm not using any assets when it comes to the scripts, but I am using assets inside of the game, which if I want to make the game open source, where you can just download it and you could use Unity to make it yourself or do whatever, if I want to do that, I have to go in and redo all the assets myself, or with the help of my fantastic 3D artist. But that's going to take a lot of time. And so the way I'm thinking about it is it's only worth it for me to go open source and have to redo all of the assets if I'm getting supported to do that. Otherwise, it's much more logical, and it makes a lot more sense to just continue on the path that I'm going and try and do a Kickstarter to get support for the game. And again, we're talking about I mean, not really far down the line when it comes to Kickstarter or making it open source or whatever. I'm not talking far down the line, but yeah, because the game's not ready to be on Kickstarter yet. It's getting there. It's getting pretty freaking close, but it's not quite there yet. Still needs a lot more love and attention before I feel comfortable essentially asking for money for the game. I think it needs more work before it's there. That's just my personal opinion. But I really wanted to see if you guys would be more receptive to the game going open source, and if it is going to go open source, would you support me because it's open source? Would you support me on Patreon, not just to support me, but to also have a open source game? By the way, if you don't know the game that I'm talking about, you can check the description. I should have put the link in there so you can go check out the website where I've got a dev update about Never Alone. We also have a dedicated Never Alone server that I don't think anyone other than me and Havoc, my 3D artist, I believe we're the only ones on the server right now. Server's very new and it still needs to get set up quite a bit more, but whatever. Okay, Unity is almost done installing. Epic, because really all I want to do is pop in here and yeah, pop into Unity, look at my project, because also I just thought about it. I think one of the things I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to, when I add it, there's this weird bug in Unity Hub where like when you already have a project and you want to import it, it won't show up in Unity Hub until you make a new project and then close Unity Hub, open it back up, and then your imported project will be there. And you just got to get rid of the new one that you made. Which it's a little annoying, but it's really the smallest bug that you could possibly have. Awesome. It's just gonna take forever. Epic. Okay. Let me see. Modf. Let me load up my file browser. Dude, my icon theme, I swear it's so good. Hold on, let me go in here. I'll load up LX Appearance so you can see I'm using the Arc Dark theme. Obviously, my entire, if you can't tell, I very much like the Arc Dark theme. And then the icon theme that I'm using is Arc Icons. I had to do quite a bit of digging to find this icon theme, but looks great and definitely matches the color scheme. Love it. Love it. And then if you're wondering about which cursor I'm just using the default Adwaita cursor. It's just nice. It's nice. What am I doing on YouTube, man? Guess we're just burning time until Unity's installed. I don't even know. Should I even still be streaming right now? We've got Vim turned into an IDE. I think that's all we wanted to get done today. Now I would like to get Unity loaded up so I can try scripting and doing shit inside of Vim while I'm still live. There we go. We got it. So add my project. I want to go in here, go into my Unity. You're not alone. Click OK. Yep. So it's not in here. So all we got to do is just add a new project. Just go ahead and click create. Ooh, there it goes. That was some serious lag. Okay. There's another thing I could check. Or I do need to check. As soon as we get in here, I do need to make sure that it's using the dedicated graphics card. It just should be. Bruh. Come on, Unity. Come on, Unity. You can do it. I believe. Okay. So now we're going to quit out of that. Go open up the hub. Oh shit, I clicked quit. Okay. Not Unicode start. God damn it. Unity hub. There we go. All right, my new project. Oh, fuck you, dude. I added you. Click add. There we go. Okay, so now this one, we're going to go click show in file browser. My new Unity project, or new Unity project. We're going to remove from list. Remove from list. And then my new Unity project, we're going to click delete. Yes. Go in here to my trash can, and we are going to empty trash can. Yes. Thank you. Now let's go select a version. Select the one we got installed. Confirm. Update that shiznit. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Now it's going to import all of our good stuff here. Come on, don't worry. Just take your time. It's all good. Unity, I fucking believe in you. I know you can do this. I believe. So if you're still watching a stream, kudos to you. Ignore. Tell me what them compilation errors be. Guarantee it's something fucking stupid. Okay. Now let's see, game. Well, hold on. First let's go into console, clear. Okay, menu button. Okay, so, wait, hold on. What's going on here? Oh, cancel. No. So, let's go over here. Actually, you know what? Let's close this. We're going to do, and then we're going to Vim. Let's just open Vim. Yeah. Okay, so Control WW, and let's go into My Unity. You're not alone. Assets. All the way down to scripts. And then let's go into menu button. Where's that at? Come on down here. Menu button. There we go. All right. And so, where is it? Menu button. There's a public game manager. Okay, so we got the reference to the game manager. Now let's go down here. Here, load. DD, get rid of that. And this here. So now, if we go over here, it's going to recompile, and that should get rid of the compilation errors. Because I'm going to, that's one thing I did do, but lost. I'm pretty sure it didn't get saved. I'm like 99% sure it didn't get saved. But if I click play here, let's see. Are you using the discrete graphics card? Well, I can already tell you from the looks of it, it's not. Yep, it's not. Because we're getting 30 FPS. And I normally get like 200 FPS in here. So if I quit this, just took it a second, and I quit Unity Hub, all Unity Hub. No process found. Okay, so I guess the system tray up there is just lying to me. DRI prime equals 1 Unity Hub. Okay, so now I have launched Unity Hub with the graphics card, or using the dedicated graphics card. So now when I open up into Unity here, should get some great freaking performance. So now if I click play, damn, I'm just chiefing on my vape. Look at that. Look at that. Much better. I'm not sure why, but we're not getting the performance we should be. Nerve-wracking. Okay. Now let's stop that, because I have no idea how loud the music is for you guys. But okay. Q. You know what? I'm going to go ahead. Oh, shit. Hurt my arm. Yeah, I mean, I like it. I like it. I think I'm going to be able to use Vim as a proper IDE now. And really, all it took was Nerd Tree to convince me. That's all I needed. Yeah. So, Vim's now my thing. Okay. Well, I mean, Vim's always been my text editor of choice, but now I can use it for my scripting too. It's pretty epic. Wait, hold on. I did just go into this game manager and it didn't have any of the M's in here. That's awesome. Epic. I'm going to quit. And then we could go up here, like, let's see, Flash Grenade. Must have coded this. Or I must have made this on Linux too. Okay. It's pretty epic. I like it. I like it a lot. Because we can do, go in here, pop into my Witch AI. Now, the only thing, though, that I don't know how to do in Vim that I should really learn, it would be really beneficial if I knew. Let's see. If we go in here, I want to know how to jump, or, how to go to specific line in Vim. If you can't tell, I'm not one of the, if you're already in VI, the go-to command. If you're already in VI, you can use the go-to command. To do this, press escape, type the line number, and then press Shift G. Okay. So let's say I want to go to line, so I'm on line 37 now. So let's say I wanted to go to line 35. So if I do 35, Shift G. Epic. Okay, cool. So if I'm up here and I know I want to go to line, let's say I want to go to line 45. I do 45, Shift G. Epic. Okay. God, Vim is such a great tool. It's so good. Yeah. Okay. Well, I think that's, I think we've done it. We've got Vim set up so I've got a nice file browser over here so I can pop through all my different scripts. The only thing that for me is going to be just, it's going to take a little bit of getting used to, is I'm very used to, like, if I click on this generator here and go down here, like, I'm very used to double clicking on scripts and just having them pop open, or have it change to where the, like, script is. But I don't think it's going to be any problem getting used to it. That's so nice. Okay. So just in case you haven't seen the game I'm working on, we'll pop in here and play it. Again, I don't know how loud this is. So hold on, let me go down here in Discord. I'm just gonna Discord in OBS. Take the volume down just a bit. Okay, so go over here. The environment is starting to look much better now that I've got a whole bunch more detail in here. Like with the grass and stuff, just as soon as the grass gets real filled in, the environment will look so much better. We can go over here, turn on this generator. Oh man, I had added pickups and stuff, gotten them all worked out. I'd also filled in this environment a lot more, but I forgot I hadn't backed it up. So when I upgraded, it was gone, but it's okay. I'd only worked for like a couple hours, so it won't take me long to get that added back in. But that means we can also spam flashes. And I've also got to fix the throw point, because the throw point is not high enough. Flash grenades! Throw grenades! Throw grenades! Yes! 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 Yes, we've got grenades going off. Flashes. Now, just keep on going. Just keep on going. Let's just crouch. She won't see us. Oh my God. Get over here. Okay. Stop talking in my head. I can't see, bitch. She'll know shit. Oh shit. Shit. You can't see me. You can't see me. You can't see me. You can't see me. I swear I'll play fair. God, that was the worst flash ever. Get that bitch. Get that bitch. Get that bitch. God damn it. Oh, shit. Shit. That didn't work. That didn't work. Keep on running. Hi, Jenny. Hi, Jenny. How you doing? Let's keep on going. Wait. What am I doing? You know what? I'm gonna go kill this bitch just because I feel like it. Play my own game. Play my own game. Let's go kill her. Let's go kill her. Let's go kill her. She ain't no shit. She ain't no shit. She ain't even gonna know what hit her. Okay. Starting to see shit. Starting to see shit. I can tell she's coming. I can tell she's coming. Wait. She's not behind me, is she? Okay. No. Eat them grenades. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. Bitch. Bitch. Okay. Stared at her long enough. But yeah, you can see I filled in the environment quite a bit. We've got this abandoned apartment building. Oh yeah, and I don't think... Oh, I did. Yeah. 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 I did block off the roof. Epic. So that was saved. Epic. Alright. Well, that's the game. What the shit? I thought I clicked end. Okay. Yeah, so that's the game as it stands now. A lot more dev work to go. A lot more dev work, but now I'm going to be using Vim as my IDE to develop the game, which is epic. And then, yeah, we also might be making it open source. Depends on, I'm going to make a dedicated video talking about it. And if y'all seem very interested in the idea of it going open source and everything and are willing to support the game's development as an open source and all that good stuff, then yeah, it'll be open source. That's what we'll do. That's what we'll do. But thank you guys for watching the stream. It's been a good stream. It's been fun. It's been fantastic. So thank you for being here. Thank you for dealing with my absolute craziness when it comes to this stream and what's been going on and how I've been cracked out on caffeine. So yeah, thank you for being here. It's been a great stream as always. You guys are fantastic. Thank you for being here, and much love. We'll see you in the next video and our stream. Yeah, bye.